Hello there. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this stunning fall nail design for beginners. So I'm actually doing this as a press-on set for myself. I'm going to be doing my natural nails at a later time, but I wanted to show you that I already did base coat and did like 3 coats of this like nude gel polish. I will link this nude set down below. It's from Amazon. I always use it. I'm actually running out, but I mixed those 2 colors in the set on my press-ons. On my left hand, I actually just have the darker color on. That's what I like on my natural nails, but I'm running out, so I had to mix 2. And then I'm using Model 1's base coat, top coat, and then I was thinking of matting these nails, but I didn't. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like matte for fall? Is that your preference? I go back and forth. These colors here, I kind of just dug around for fall colors. You could really use any colors you like if you don't like the darker fall colors. I actually saw a light set somewhat like this. I'd have to find the photo, but I decided to go with the fall colors because I love autumn. But this was actually a fall set from Born Pretty. I have an old video from this time last year for both the red and the orange, and then the like peachy color that I mixed with white, that's J.E. Whitney. It's all on Amazon, so I'll link it below. But if you'll see, I don't know if you could really tell, but it is a dark red color. It's a really pretty color, especially if you like red nails, honestly, year round. It's really pretty. So I wanted to start with the dark colors first and draw the lines. I did start at the top of the nail just because on press-on nails, I don't know, but I really don't like to leave them nude on the top. Now I do it a lot, but if I'm doing a design, I do like to bring it up to the top. I don't really know why. I feel like it just looks good that way. I did a set similar to this on my natural nails. I might post a short of that, and I did a similar thing. I brought the design all the way up to the top of my nail, obviously without, touching my skin. So yeah, I'm starting there and I'm drawing the lines. I wanted like a mix of thickness, and then as I go through the different colors, I'm going to do the same thing and even color in some parts, like have it a whole section that is going to be one of the 3 colors. You could do it in any order that you like. I just figured this would be the easiest way. That way I could see the most prominent dark color first on the nails. So I'm going to finish off these, cure it, and then we will move on to the next color. So I'm starting now on the orange, and as you see, I wanted it to like start off as a bigger line and then thin out at the bottom. I thought that looked nice. And then just make sure, since this is gel, you're not leaving them thick. Like make sure you're putting on a thin coat of gel, otherwise it might have trouble curing all the way, and then you can get wrinkles. I actually dealt with that on the thumb because as I was making it big, I also made it thick. This was just a press-on set, so I wasn't really worried about it, and I'm only doing one hand. I've just been wearing my natural nails lately, but just so you guys know, if you are doing these on press-ons, your natural nail, Gel X, whatever it may be, to just keep the gel thin. Since the next few steps are pretty repetitive, I figured I would just chat a little bit with you guys. So it is September, fall is coming up. It is my favorite season. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and I really enjoyed doing fall and Halloween nails last year, so I definitely plan on putting out some more spooky content. But yeah, my birthday is also in fall, so I'm really going to have a lot of fun just playing around with that. So if you guys like these type of nail art videos, beginner nail art, definitely like and subscribe, because I do plan on making more content like this and just letting you guys in on my nail journey. So we're going to go ahead and get onto our last step, which is the lightest color. It was more of like orangey peach, but then I mixed it with the McCart white, so it's a little bit more beige now, and that's how I wanted it. And this I'm really just detailing. I'm not doing any really big strokes in the white. And after this, we'll get on to the flowers, and oh my goodness. Honestly, I almost had a breakdown. Like, this video might have not existed because I was struggling so much with the flowers. And yes, you guys, this is a beginner design because, well, you'll see, I figure it out, but just take things slow. Don't get frustrated. Honestly, it's just nails. It's just some gel polish. You can wipe it off with some acetone and start over. So don't get frustrated. No one's perfect here, but I did add in my mistakes, so you'll see I tried it a few times before I got it right, and when I did, it was like a light bulb going off, and I was like, this is great. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch here. We're just finishing it up, and then we'll move on to the last step. So I'm going to kind of walk you through my thought process on doing the flowers, because I have actually done flowers before, but it's been a long time, you guys. I've been really just working with my natural nails, which I just do one color. It's been probably about 6 months since I did a set, but I did remember that I would use my dotting tool that you see here to make the flower lines. However, I struggled here because I thought it was crooked, didn't like it. I did the dot without curing, which I personally wouldn't suggest that because it can run and then it's going to combine with your leaves. Also, I don't know why I went in and thought I needed to add more flowers. And then here it is. I thought that I would just put fake flowers on. And okay, I get it. Like, you can do that, but it was not the look I was going for. You'll see, it just doesn't match. I feel like if I had flowers that were different sizes or flat like stickers, it would have worked, but yeah, no. Then I did this. Like, I don't know. I was so frustrated. And honestly, you guys, I'm just showing you these two mistakes. I made more. Like, I had gotten really frustrated, but here I am. I slowed down. I honestly took a break, and I decided to use the other side, the actual brush, and I tried it a few times, and eventually I got it. And honestly, I wouldn't even say I got it. I just dealt with what I had. Literally, that's the only way I can explain it. I just was like, this is what I'm gonna work with, and I ended up really, really liking it. I love how the whole set turned out, so yeah, just have some patience with yourselves. Try different things. It's gonna work out. If someone else did it, it's obviously possible. So just give it a try. But yeah, I'm gonna do this on all the nails. I'm not gonna do all of them in the beige color. I did it on this nail just because there wasn't a lot of beige. But you'll see I'll switch out the colors and even the little dot in the inside just to switch it up. At this point, I am painting all the leaves of the flowers, curing, and then I'm going in doing the dots and curing. And I did nail by nail. If you guys are really speedy, you might be able to like do all the petals on all the nails, cure it, and then go in and do the dots on all the nails and cure it. But this video is sped up. I was not going this fast, so I just didn't want the leaves to like combine all together. I wanted them to still be somewhat separated, and that's why I cured it after each nail, so they didn't have time to move around. With the holiday seasons coming up, I wanted to see what type of nail designs you guys are into. If you like more artsy nails, whether you get it for yourself or videos you like to watch, what type of themes do you like? I did a spooky nail, kind of like a witchy nail with some different nail art last year. I want to try a few different sets. I'm still a beginner in nail art, so it takes me a lot of time, so I didn't get around to doing too many. But I loved that set. I do like black and bling, so I do plan on doing some of that. But I have been seeing some colorful Halloween themed nails, so I might dig into that. I'm still looking for some different inspiration. I've been watching some different anime shows also that I like that have like different characters. I was thinking it's not Spirited Away, but it's in the line of movies, and there's these little forest spirits. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see, but I want to do something themed with these guys because they were so cute. But that's just a thing I like draw inspiration from, and it's fun to just bring that into my nail work. If you've made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like my chit chats and nail videos, definitely check out some others. I'll list them below. And if you watched my videos before, thank you for sticking around. I know it's been a while, but I'm here to stay. And you guys, we're just finishing up this look. Honestly, after I finish these flowers, we are going to cure it. I'm going to top coat. I ended up going with glossy, not matte. And then I will show you guys the final look. And here we have it, you guys, a beautiful beginner friendly fall nail. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.